Bitcoin is on last support, guys, and yeah, I can't help it, but in today's video I will show you the levels that I'm watching for Bitcoin right now to the downside, which support levels are going to be very important, and in what kind of time frame we need to make a rescue here in order to still look good. Okay guys, let's jump straight into it. So guys, as always, let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been going to new all-time highs. It went into price discovery, which is of course very bullish. It went to 126,000 US dollars, but right now we are getting somewhat of a resistance from this level. So right now it's just, for me it's personally very important that we are going to hold above this green box right here. Maybe we come down into this green box, but breaking below this green box is not something that we want to see, and that is roughly breaking below 120,000 US dollars. The reason why we don't want to see that is because we just hit new all-time highs, right? The price action should be insanely bullish right now in price discovery in this last part of the bull cycle, and we shouldn't get, actually we shouldn't even have too many red days right now, because the last part of the bull cycle, the correction should become really short. So if we come from a correction 60-day cycle low with a strong start into new all-time high territory, into price discovery, but then break the support again, that brings a little bit to conflicting signs. And I'm also going to bring up the signs that I mentioned in the previous videos, because they are looking slightly different right now as well. But let me first share with you the 10-day moving average right now is as well acting as support. And this is the line that you want to watch a little bit with the 60-day cycle. This was a 60-day cycle low. We had a very strong start. That looks very good. A small correction is on the table, is okay, can happen. Of course, we cannot go up in one straight line, but with that correction we do not want to see the breaking of certain support areas like the green area or the yellow line, which is the 10-day moving average. Then when we have a look at Will Portal Pro data, which was very clear before when we were seeing this massive rally into the 60-day cycle low, because you can see the selling pressure is almost nothing right here. So that was a good signal. Right now the selling pressure is there, but it's not that extreme. Then guys, the US dollar Tether dominance looks slightly different, because we had a breakdown on the relative strength index, which is similar as the breakdown we have seen on the stablecoin dominance combined, but this one resulted in a fake out. So this is just something to watch. So guys, personally I think the story is pretty clear right here. I'm still leaning to the bullish side, because I still want to give it the benefit of the doubt. It is very normal to get like a good start of the 60-day cycle, have a couple of days of a correction, you know, find a new ground right here, and then go into price discovery. But we do not want to see something like right here, for example. Here you can see it. I will show you some more examples. So here we have like an high. Then we break above that high, but we don't spend much time there, and then we roll over. That often results in a fake out. So that's something we really got to be careful right here. What else? I think 2021, this was actually a very good example, because if you take the all-time highs right here, maybe a little bit right here, right, we have here the area of all-time highs, a correction, and then we come back to that area of all-time highs, but we just don't push through. We just don't spend too much time right here, and then it loses this level again. And that is something we don't want to see right now, because this is like a moment of truth, because once you break the all-time high, right, you want to this is the chance for the momentum to come. This is the chance for the liquidity to enter. This is the chance to push into price discovery. And once that chance and momentum is not being used and it's rolling over, it generally is a bad sign. Because if we look, for example, right here, we take this all-time high and we do like something like this, and we zoom in on this price action, you can see that around the all-time high you can get some resistance, which is logical, right, around the all-time high, but they definitely don't break a key support level right here. But the moment you blast through, you want to see this. You want to see this piece of price action once it really blasts through. And right now you can actually say we kind of blasted through the all-time high, right? So I definitely would love to see some different price action as we are seeing right now. And like I said, I think it's still possible. I still will give it the benefit of the doubt because we had a strong rally into this level, and we have some doubting scenarios on the inverse charts, right? This one can roll over. We are at the resistance, similar with the relative strength index on the stablecoin dominance. I mean, you know, there's a decent scenario to be made that this is just a retest of this falling wedge because we broke this support. We formed a lower low right here in the shorter term time frame. So we potentially, most likely, get a lower high and continue this downtrend, right? This chart is slightly different, but yeah, okay. I think the stablecoin dominance combined is actually more important anyway. But this is a little bit the story of today's videos, guys. So I'm going to be slightly cautious in the sense of that Bitcoin needs to hold some key structures right here. If we do break below this green line and yellow line, yeah, I mean, the chances definitely very much increase that we're at least going to test this white line. And if we lose the support of the white line, especially in this time of the bull market, it would be a very, very bad sign. But yeah, let's not run ahead of ourselves right now because we are not close to that. We have seen a very good early 60-day cycle. Not too strong price discovery, but let's see how this resolves. If we can hold this level and get another push into the all-time high and break this high again, and then see the rally that we all have been waiting for, the momentum coming back to Bitcoin first, and then of course later to the altcoins. Guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to smash with the like button. Make sure to subscribe if you are new. I wish every single one of you a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video. Bye bye.